Hey there, welcome to the video. Today, I want to save you from one of the biggest traps beginner KDP publishers fall into and guide you toward a niche that's easier, smarter, and much more profitable for 2025. If you've ever thought, why aren't my books selling? Or you felt overwhelmed by the competition, then this video is for you. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online, whether it be through Amazon KDP or other online businesses. So if this sounds interesting to you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, let me be honest with you. Diving into popular niches like coloring books or kids activity books can feel tempting. After all, they're flashy and the numbers look insane. But here's the truth. These niches are highly competitive and beginners don't often stand a chance unless you know what you're doing. Let me show you why. First, the competition is brutal. Take kids coloring books as an example, over 70,000 search results, and that's just scratching the surface. To rank on the first page where customers can actually see your book, you'd either need a massive ad budget or a stroke of luck, neither of which is beginner friendly. Now let's talk about design. Successful books in these niches have stunning covers and beautifully crafted interiors. Unless you're a pro illustrator or have years of graphic design experience, it's really going to be tough to match this level of quality, and hiring professionals can be quite expensive. Finally, established publishers dominate these niches because they've built entire ecosystems. I'm talking websites, Pinterest pages, social media accounts that drive traffic to their books. They also have deep pockets for ads. So then what is the solution? Enter the logbook niche. And I know what you're thinking, Jeff, that sounds kind of boring. And you're right, it is. But here's the thing, boring works. It's less competitive, easier to create, and still highly profitable. Look at this caregiver daily logbook. Only 513 search results. Compare that to the over 70,000 that we saw earlier. Plus, these books are simple to design. You don't need to be a graphic design wizard. With basic tools like Canva, you can create clean and functional interiors with attractive covers. Now, here's why logbooks are the perfect niche for beginners. Number one, they have low competition, so you're not fighting against tens of thousands of listings. Number two, they have simple design, so you don't need any fancy illustrations, you just need clean and functional interiors. And number three, scalability. You can create multiple logbooks across different niches, things like fitness tracker, pet care, expense tracking, and more. Now, let me share something personal. So when I started KDP, I fell into the same trap, trying to compete in flashy niches. It wasn't until I switched to logbooks that I saw consistent sales, and that first breakthrough for me, it was a nature logbook, and it changed everything. Now, before we take a look at some of these niches, I want to share something that could help you on your KDP journey. If you're new to KDP or you're feeling lost, then I've got something that may benefit you, and that is my KDP Royalty Roadmap. This completely free guide takes you step by step through the entire process of creating and publishing your first book on Amazon. Whether you're starting from step one or you're feeling stuck in the process, this guide will help you design low or medium content books on Amazon KDP, even if you've never designed anything before. So if this sounds like you, I'll leave the link down below. Now let's take a look at the birding logbook. Now this type of logbook is perfect for bird enthusiasts who want to document their birdwatching experiences, which makes it an appealing product for people who are passionate about birds. Now, if we take a look at some of the data here, we can see total results says 1,056, which is a lot lower than those flashy niches like the kids coloring book niche, which had over 70,000 results. So this is going to allow you to be able to compete in a much more fair niche and allow you to be able to be seen on the first or second page of Amazon, which is really where we want our books to end up. So that, for example, someone can see this book, be interested in this book, and possibly buy it. And so as our books get bought, we can climb up the first page of Amazon and eventually land into a spot kind of like where this bird watching logbook is, where it's ranking in at 308,000. And as you can see just by the cover, how simple of a book this is. Now, if we take a closer look at this logbook, we can see that this is a journal for bird watchers and birders. So all it does is it tracks and records bird sightings. very simple type of book. And this is what a logbook is. It's just basically the same interior duplicated over and over and over again. So we can see here's the first page, bird watching logbook. You have your date, your time, all your other things right here. And then the second page with notes and a photo and a place for a sketch. And then it's repeated over and over throughout the entirety of the book. All you have to really do is create the back cover and then create the front cover. And then it'll be all done. You can put it up on Amazon KDP. And as you can see with this cover, it is basically the interior and then a nice title and a nice subtitle right here. And that's really all it is. And judging by the reviews, 4.6 out of 5, 48 ratings. That's all you need to do for these logbooks. Now, logbooks can vary in size. Typically, you see them in 6 by 9 inches, also 8.5 by 11 inches, depending on the type of logbook that you're creating. And in terms of total length, it's going to be anywhere from 100 to 120 pages is what I usually see. Now, if we go back to the Caregiver Daily Logbook, we're going to see total results even lower at 513. And this is typically going to be a good sign because you can think of search results as the amount of competition that you have to compete with in any given niche. So 513 is not so bad. I typically like to look for about 1,000 and below because this is going to allow me to be able to compete on the first and second pages of Amazon without having to invest in any type of ads, KDP ads, or marketing or anything like that. Now we can also see that there's 45 independently published books here, meaning there's 45 KDP books, which means that people are publishing in this niche. And when I look at this average bestsellers rank, well, we can see there are some books here that are quite successful. So if we look through some of these books, we can see that this one right here, which is a KDP book because it says independently published with the bestsellers rank of 212,000. So this book is going to be selling every single day. We have the book right next to it that's ranking it at 146,000. So this one's even selling better than this book right here. And then we have this book at 129,000. So this book is even selling better. And then we have more books here selling well. This one's at 202,000, 294,000, 122,000, 546,000, 121,000. So we can see that there's a lot of demand here because a lot of these KDP books are being bought. They have very, very good bestsellers rank. The lower, the better. So this is indicative of a niche that is selling well, has low competition. And so there's a lot of potential here for profits, especially for us self-publishers who want to have a consistent type of income without all of that competition with those flashy niches like coloring book niches or activity books for kids. Now let's look at this niche, the Low Income Savings Challenge logbook. Now this is the type of logbook that directly helps people with limited resources and builds better financial habits. So there's a lot of people that are going to be interested in this type of book, and it taps into a growing demand for accessible and affordable tools. So this is the type of niche that's going to be an evergreen niche, meaning it's going to be popular year round. You're going to sell this book year round. And if we look at the total results, 571. So again, not a lot of competition here. And this is the reason I love logbooks, because there are so many types of niches, so many types of sub niches, and so many types of niches yet to be created on Amazon KDP so that we can take advantage of these sales. So 571, very low competition. We see 16 independently published books here, meaning 16 KDP books here. Average reviews are only 21, which means these books are fairly new. And the niche score right here that's provided by Titan's Quick View is helpful because we see 57, and a good score for this plugin is really anything above 50. Now, if we look at some of these books, we can see the very first book right here is ranked at 26,000, which if I plug it into this Amazon KDP book sales calculator, that's going to be about $15 per day in estimated royalties, which is just under $500 per month in estimated royalties, all from this simple book right here, a logbook. And keep in mind, you're going to have dozens and dozens of logbooks, some making no money, some making some money, some successful, but at the end of the month, they're all going to add up and it could add up to something more substantial. If we take a look at the interior of one of these low income savings challenge logbooks, we can see that it's actually pretty simple. We're going to have on every page, we're going to have a goal. Let's save $200 in 30 days. And then you have your apples here. It could be any type of object that you want. The other page has hearts. And then you have your dollar values here that all add up to $200, and this is 30 days. And then it's just that kind of playful game, but allows your customer to actually save instead of spend. The next one is $400 in 40 days, $4,500 in 40 weeks. So this book is going to be filled with these types of interiors, a little bit more creative, but still simple to build and still not going to take you a lot of time. And you're not going to need any type of experience to put this type of book together. As you can see, the cover is very simple, bunch of interiors lined up, and then a pattern on the background, very simple font, nothing too challenging. And then you have something that's even more simple, like the mileage logbook. So we see total results just above 1,000, but still good enough that it's not too competitive here. However, look at the niche score, 85. Look at the average bestsellers rank, 104,000, but the average reviews are still pretty low, 18 independently published books here. So this is the type of niche that we all want to get into, because this is the type of niche that is going to have a lot of demand. As we see, pretty low competition, but people need these types of books. We can see this one's ranked at 124,000. Very simple cover. The cover is basically the interior, which is basically the cover. This one that has a bestsellers badge is ranking in at 13,821. If we scroll down, we can see another one right here, 16,000 BSR. And then you have even more simple looking logbooks. This one is at 18,000. This one's at 17,000, 69,000. This one with the bestsellers badge is ranked at 10,000. So you see so much demand here, and all these books have a very, very low BSR. If we take a look at this book, which is basically just a bunch of boxes repeated over and over, all it says is logbook, but you can see that it can be used to track daily activity, time, inventory, equipment, income, and expenses. So basically a bunch of things, but in actuality, it's just a bunch of these boxes that's repeated over and over. 4.7 out of 5 rating, over 200 reviews overall, and it's priced at $7.99, and it even offers a hardcover version. Now, if we look at the actual interior, like I said, this is all that it is. This is what a logbook is. It can be as simple as just a bunch of lines, and if we plug that bestsellers rank into this KDP book sales calculator, you're gonna see just from this simple logbook, $42 per day in estimated royalties, and $1,269 per month in estimated royalties from this one single logbook. So I hope you can see just how powerful logbooks are, not just this year, but next year, the year after, and the year after that, because these types of books are going to sell year round, and people are always going to need these types of books. If you like this video, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel for all of my other types of logbook type niches. Also, don't forget about my KDP royalty roadmap, which is going to help you create your low and medium content books on Amazon KDP. This is a full step-by-step guide, so if you haven't checked it out already, the link is down below. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, as well as follow me on all my socials at JeffSetLife. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.